I make my wood-burn jigsaw puzzles, ones like these. So I thought I'd show you. Today we'll go step by step through the process of making a wood-burn jigsaw puzzle. To start with, you need to find a good piece of plywood. You want to make sure that the layers are very condensed so that there's no air holes or gaps missing in the piece. That way you don't have any chips. The next step would be to draw the picture onto the wood. After that, we take a wood burning tool and we trace the picture that we just drew with the wood burning tool. Okay, as you can see, I finished drawing the picture with the wood burning tool. As you notice, there's nice dark, rich lines. You can see the picture really clearly. Now the next step we're going to do is we're going to color in the picture. Now normally I take and use colored pencils to start off the picture with. Next we're going to paint a border. The next step is to use your scroll saw and cut out the lines of the puzzle. And there you have it. We've cut the puzzle out. Now, the next step, you'll notice that there's some holes in the puzzle. We're going to fill those holes with wood putty. Okay, I've gotten some wood putty. I use Elmer's wood filler, and it works pretty nicely for me. What we're going to do is we're going to run the wood filler along the edge, pushing it in with the edge of the spatula and wiping off the excess. So pushing it down and then wiping it. There we go. Now the holes have been filled on both sides. The next step in our project is to sand off the wood putty. I'm going to use my belt sander. It's just a lot easier. Okay, so now we're going to add the polyurethane. I use this water-based polyurethane for floors. It's crystal clear gloss. I don't use the matte finish. I use the crystal clear one. And the way I add it is I just pour a little bit into a cup. And then I take a foam brush and I lightly dab the puzzle. until it's all covered. Put on even strokes, but you want to make it a little bit thick. Once you get the top, you want to go ahead and do the sides. Just run your foam brush smoothly across the sides. And then run your finger along the bottom edge to make sure that you don't have drips. I do this about 3 coats on both sides, and just 3 coats on the sides too. In between coats, you want to sand it down lightly just to remove all of the raised grain, and then recoat it. Once you get about 3 coats, it's pretty smooth and it's a nice layer of thickness. Okay, now that we've put the polyurethane on both sides, and I've put my brand on the back, now we're going to actually puzzle the puzzle. We're going to cut the pieces. The puzzle together. See how nicely the pieces go in. So that's all there is to it, to making a woodburn jigsaw puzzle. I hope to see you again on www.puzzledone.com.